thanks to the form he's shown at club level. Mbokazi
and got on and also managed the spaces, but yet again you look at where Mbekezeli finds himself, the cross that he puts inside the box.
See what Pirates holding a high line.
Difficult position to defend. When a player starts out wide, coming in just behind the two defensive midfielders, you don't know as a centre back whether to follow, to step in, whether you step back.
Bad spot in Bafana.
Rightfully so.
Remy going deep. And it's really rather Mbokazi that got up. But never in control of a header. Yeah, he has already made himself one of the starters and one of the regulars in this side.
It's easy to replace, a player to Lano Pass. Now they've got depth and quality than they had last season. Regular game time, it becomes such an important thing because all these important games come thick and fast. Certain players need to be rested.
Matuludi, it was that just for a second they lost, was a little bit out of position, or his body shape was all wrong in terms of arrows. And out at FNB Stadium, Chiefs, and 1-0 as Opalas tried to flick. Tried the little crack healer there. Samene unable to react quicker. Oh, Mbokazi. Now, can Polokwane City get on level terms just before the break? Yeah, Chain manages to punch, get something on it, and that's the whistle from Mr. Mbokazi for half-time. Times in the Betway Premiership this season, they've won 2, drew 1, and they lost 1. And that was against Marema. That's a dangerous looking ball. Ongwe. Dlamini. They're looking, but okay. The Congo there. About sharpening that attack.
Expecting maybe within the 5 chances that have created at least bury 2 or 3 or force a save from the goalkeeper, and that's something that they haven't done. Maybe that part the coach will be disappointed.
Yeah. Now with Mahoba off the field, he's a man who's go without conceding. Last time they did better than that. It was the way they started last campaign when they won their first 7 league matches. That's the last time they won 6 or more games in a row. Orlando Pirates held on to it to wait for the support. Botuma coming very deep. As the big man has there's a yellow card for Chain there for delaying the restart. That's the Chain is the 4th Pirates player now to be cautioned. Pirates coming into this match, by the way, had the best disciplinary record with only 6 yellow cards. Well, they've just racked up another 4 tonight. Chain needs to get on with it. Was it given to? Was it Chain or Mbokazi? Oh, okay. Word is it's actually Mbokazi, we're told, that was cautioned. The TLB cautioned. Pirates need to be careful here now. They need to be careful here. Matuluri. Turn from Ramabu. Tangling there with Mbokazi. Isn't going to let him turn. Pirates, before that loss against Lupopo, were on an 11-game unbeaten run in all competitions. So I really put a big dent in maybe a timely wake-up call for Pirates.
I guess also maybe the disappointing part is the scoreline, because then it becomes very, very difficult to come back in the second leg. But they're a capable team playing at home.
Nearly enough. They haven't threatened nearly enough to warrant a share of the points here. I mean, if Pirates were to concede now and drop points, it will feel like a defeat.